Breakfast used to start the day. Lunch used to break it. Dinner used to end it. Not anymore. We snack between meetings, between classes, between scrolling. In an always-on world, hunger has no schedule. And one company quietly built a supply chain designed for that reality. Behind iconic brands like Mondelez International, Oreo, and Cadbury lies a massive global supply network. But Mondelez doesn't just sell snacks, it sells moments. Operating in over 150 countries, Mondelez manages thousands of SKUs, multiple pack sizes, local flavor adaptations, regional regulatory requirements. In a world where snacking is constant, supply chains must be too. Snacking used to be structured. Now it's lifestyle-driven. Streaming culture, remote work, on-the-go commuting. Consumption patterns have fragmented. Impulse demand spikes at 9 p.m. binge sessions, afternoon energy dips, airport layovers, e-commerce flash sales. Forecasting becomes behavioral science, not just historical data. One Oreo is no longer just one Oreo. There are limited editions, seasonal packs, mini formats, multi-packs, health-focused variants. This is SKU proliferation. Each new variant multiplies complexity, demand forecasting, production scheduling, inventory holding, shelf space negotiation. Too much variety, and costs spike. Too little, and impulse sales are lost. Mondelez walks that tightrope daily. Impulse is location-driven. The right snack must be at the right shelf, at the right time, at the right visibility. Mondelez invests heavily in route-to-market precision. This includes direct store delivery models, distributor partnerships, real-time shelf data, planogram optimization. If a shelf goes empty, even for a few hours, the sale disappears. Impulse demand doesn't wait. To manage volatility, Mondelez modernized its supply chain. Investments include AI-based demand sensing, smart factory automation, digital twin modeling, global control towers. The goal? Predict impulse before it happens. Balance inventory across markets. Respond to viral trends instantly. In an always-on world, data must move faster than cravings. Snacks may feel simple, but their supply chains are global. Ingredients travel continents: cocoa, wheat, dairy. Disruptions ripple quickly. Commodity price swings, port congestion, geopolitical shocks. To stay resilient, Mondelez diversifies. Manufacturing footprints, supplier bases, transportation modes. Because when consumers snack 24/7, the supply chain must never sleep. Mondelez didn't just scale production, it scaled responsiveness. In the age of lifestyle-driven consumption, snacking isn't occasional, it's continuous. And behind every late-night craving is a supply chain working around the clock.